Could the future of organ transplantation lie in our ability to print them? Imagine a world where the dire need for organ donors is mitigated by technology, where a patient's own cells could be used to generate a new, fully functioning organ. This is the promise of 3D bioprinting, a groundbreaking technology that has been evolving rapidly over the past few decades. The journey of 3D bioprinting began with simple components. Around the start of the 21st century, scientists began experimenting with the printing of blood vessels and tissues. This was a monumental step in the field of regenerative medicine, providing a glimmer of hope for the future of organ transplantation. As the technology advanced, so did the complexity of the structures being printed. The focus shifted from individual tissues to entire organs. The liver, with its intricate network of blood vessels, was one of the first organs to be bioprinted in the lab. This marked a significant milestone, signifying the potential for bioprinting to revolutionize organ transplantation. The evolution of 3D bioprinting is not just about the structures being created, but also about the techniques being used. The process begins with a biopsy, where a small piece of tissue is taken from the patient. This tissue is then expanded outside the body, fed with nutrients in a sterile incubator or bioreactor. The cells are mixed with a bioink, a printable mixture of living cells, hydrogels, and growth factors, and then extruded layer by layer to create the desired organ or tissue. The journey from biopsy to implantation takes about 4 to 6 weeks. While this process has its challenges, particularly in ensuring that the printed organs function properly, significant progress is being made. It's estimated that it will take at least another decade before fully functioning bioprinted organs can be implanted into humans. In summary, the development of 3D bioprinting has come a long way, from simple components to complex organs. This technology holds the potential to revolutionize organ transplantation, providing a solution to the organ shortage crisis. The future of organ transplantation is promising, thanks to the ongoing advancements in 3D bioprinting. As this technology continues to develop, it brings us one step closer to a future where organ waiting lists could become a thing of the past.